Look. I got stopped on my patrol by a fuzzy. This is how you distract me when I'm on patrol. Throw a cat in front of me, whether it's black or not. Hey, pretty girls. You almost got yourself hit by a car a couple times. You're gonna have to go inside. You don't got a name or anything on your collar. You're friendly, little bugger. You're friendly, girls. You're cold. And you're adorable. You're such a pretty little girl. You're so friendly. She come running up to me and rammed her head into my leg. Scared me for a second because I didn't know what that was. And I realized it was this fuzzy thing. You better go home, girlie. You can't come in with me. You can't go in the building with me, buddy. You better go home, baby girls. The joys of patrolling at night. You find wildlife and semi-wildlife. What? You better go home, baby girl. You better go home. Where's your home at, baby girl? You have a home because you're friendly and you have a collar. No tags. That's right, you'd be nice to security guards and law enforcement. That's a good thing. But you need to go home, baby girl. It's cold out. And you're a dark kitty with no reflection. And you almost got hit a couple times. I'm gonna see if I can sneak away because she was trying to follow me. And I don't want to be fouled. I can't have her come in the building. Nope. Baby girl, you can't come in with me. You cannot come in with me. How do you sneak away from a black cat? The baby girls. Look, where's your home at, baby girls? You can't come over here. Come on, baby girls. Come here. Hey, baby girls. Come here. Come here. Get up here. Yes, you're a friendly little girl. Yes, you are. You're a friendly little girl. Yes, you are. You're very friendly. And I do believe you bombed one of these apartment complexes around here. Yes. Can I go inside where it's warm? I wish I could take you in. Don't go up the telephone pole. Do not go up the telephone pole. That's even worse. Look, you're supposed to listen to security and law enforcement, so you need to stay. You understand? Stay. Stay. Stay right there. I gotta go inside. You gotta go find your home. Don't come charging up on me. No. Stay. 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 Oh, crap. You're supposed to listen to law enforcement, you know that? I said stay. Come here. Trespasser. Bah. What are you doing? This is not your home. You don't belong in a medical clinic. Come here. Come here. Come here, little bugger. I'm sorry nobody's out here looking for you. You're cold. You're cold, little pig. Look. You're gonna have to go. Here. Look. I'm pretty sure you belong in this building over here. I'm trying to hold you nice, but my hands are cold. Look. Yeah. This is where your home is? Is that why you can't score me? Okay, come on. Here. Here. Go home. Stay. You're running from a panther. look, she see me. Good.